Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll work on update or create user from OAuth. We'll go ahead and import our user model. I will just copy it from our login route and paste here. Then once that's done, I'll go ahead creating our exported function. Export const update or create. No, let me just copy it as it is from the file and paste it here. I don't want any typos. Equals to async. I'll open brackets, then arrow function, hit enter. Then I'll go ahead, const, I'll open curly braces and destructor some items from the data that's been passed to this route. Now ID, I'll set it to Google ID. Verified email, I'll set it to is verified, comma, I'll hit enter, then email, I think that's all, equals to OAuth user info. Then the next line, I'll do const user equals to user model.find1. I'll open bracket, I'll call it as a function. Now delete this user, it's not correct. Existing user, yes, so that suggests to me find one. I'll open curly braces and I'll find by email. Then I hit enter. If existing user, return existing user. No, this is suggested by my plugin. I just want something else. Const result equals to await user.find1 and update. The first argument to the update function would be the search criteria, which is our email. Then we'll use the set operator to set our Google ID, yes, and also set is verified. So we'll set new to false for now, depending when we test it, but my command changes later. So we'll now return results dot value. Okay, so this error I'm getting, okay, curly braces, which is wrong, double curly braces. So I'll change this to true. Yes, change is supposed to be true, not false, so that to return the updated document. And else, open curly braces, I hit enter, const results equals to, I'm using my tab 9 plugin. So it suggested this, but I'll append to after email, I'll add info. Remember, guys, info semicolon before curly braces. Yes. So remember in our database schema, we have info, which is the object that stores our user info. Then we'll await results that save, so that to save to the database. Then we'll return results, which is the data we're looking for. Then we'll add await. Then we'll come to our model and add, we'll copy one, paste it below. Then we'll come here and copy Google ID, paste it there, so that we'll create a Google ID flag. Then I'll call .save as a function. Then to add to my code, I made some little changes, JSON stringify, my email, and also my Google ID. I made some few changes. Then I came and create starting info. Then when it comes to creating the results, I used UID on the password and verification string, and I set some flags here. Feel free to copy the info at any point to get it correctly.